Hi, my name is Gladys. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review the Drybar's double shot oval blow dryer brush. This is my hair after blow drying it. I should say that I think it's just okay. It has three settings. It has three settings around right down at the bottom here. This is for just the cooler air, and the second setting is just a low heat, and the high heat is the third settings. And the good thing about this is the cord will not detangle. It's because I don't know what you call this, it just go around and around, but it won't detangle on you. It has quite a long cord. So before I blow dry, I of course use in the shower the shampoo and the conditioner. They smell good. It's kind of like vanilla smell. Let me double check this thing. This one is this is the shampoo. It smells like vanilla, and so is the conditioner, but they smell good. It's like coconutty, but I like the smell. And you guys, if you have ever opened this box, I have the hardest time to get these bottles out of this plastic in the box right there. They are glued on the plastic. I already took the glue out. I had to use my screwdriver to take it out, and this one is the hardest one. So anyhow, before I got cut off, I was reviewing these Drybar's blow dryer, oval blow dryer brush, and what comes in the kit. And I was saying that these are so hard to take out of this plastic in the box. So I made some damages on this one, because I tried to pry it out with a screwdriver, and look at that, it was peeling. So what I did was push the plastic from the bottom and push it out, and that's how I got this one out. This is the heat protectant. It's called Hot Toddy. So after you shampoo and conditioner, you get out of the shower, you first put this liquid glass. This is the miracle sealant that they call. I should say it was smooth. And then you put this first. It says you have to put it on the roots. You section your hair and put it on the roots, up and onto the ends, and then you apply the heat protectant. It's just on a spray bottle. They're all spray except for the shampoo and the conditioner, and then you blow dry it with a brush, and this is how it came out. It is not really straight. I can still see some frizz on my hair. Well, my hair is ready. They always be. I'm not that young anymore, but it's good enough. If you just wanna blow dry your hair quick, it took me probably 10 minutes to dry my hair. But if you want a real smoother hair with styling, you can still use your hot tools, the flat iron or the curling iron. I like the hot tools. Anyway, that's what it is about the Drybar. Nothing really fancy, except that they came with these bottles. That's not really enough in here. I have a long hair and I can probably use this shampoo and conditioner 3 times. But if you have short hair, it's alright. But I'm gonna try this 3 times, so we'll see. If I am going to recommend this if you have the money to spare. This is $150 alone, and when I bought this $150 in a kit in this box at Norsdtom during the anniversary sale. And yes, if you want, I have never found a brush that dried my hair alone just using this Drybar blow dryer. This is the first one I have tried that really dried my hair. The ones that I have tried before that I got from Norsdtom rack, I forgot the brand, but one use and I said no way, so it didn't do nothing. So this one, I tried this one. It did dry my hair, it straightened it, and it has 3 settings, one for cool, one for low heat and high heat. And I like it because this cord doesn't tangle on you, and it's big enough, and it's not that heavy. I don't think it is that heavy. I was able to, you know, manipulate this with no hardship. The only hard thing about this is taking it out of this plastic thing where it come from in the box. It is glued really tight. Oh well. So that is my review for this Drybar double shot blow dryer oval brush. Thank you for watching. And
guys, this is the before and after. Half of my hair is still curly and the other side is blow dried. And this is the final result after blow drying without using a straightening iron.